In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your PC with and without using the Microsoft Store. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the Microsoft Store. First, let's start with the Microsoft Store method. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can find it by typing Microsoft Store in the search bar next to the Start menu. Once the Microsoft Store is open, click on the search bar at the top and type WhatsApp. Press Enter. Find WhatsApp Desktop in the search results and click on it. Then, click the Install button to download and install WhatsApp on your PC. Wait for the installation to complete. Done. Now you can open it directly from the Microsoft Store or from the Start menu. Method 2. Without using the Microsoft Store. Next, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp without using the Microsoft Store. Open your web browser and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Click on the official WhatsApp website. On the main page, you'll see a button labeled Download. Just click on it to get the .exe file. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Wait until WhatsApp installs on your PC. And that's it. You now have WhatsApp installed on your PC with and without using the Microsoft Store. You can start chatting with your friends and family right from your desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you next time.